Okay guys, so I was going to break this big down for you. I'm going to break this big deal down for you. $7.99. But I left my $3 coupons at home on the printer. So I'm not going to have those to show you, but I'm going to at least break it down for you. Alright, so this big deal kept getting better and better. The razors are $2 off one. So the weekly sale is $2 off one. The $3 coupon has no limit on it. You can print it as many times as you want, and there was no redemption limit on it. So there was no limit to coupons per transaction like the insert coupon. There was a limit on that of 2. The insert coupon is in Smart Source 221. And it limits to 2 per transaction. So if you're going to use that for this breakdown, you can only use 2. Alright, so the best way to do this deal is to buy 3 of, and let me preface this, buy big razors. The prices vary from state to state, county to county, store to store. These big are $7.49. They're over in front of the register, and I don't want to go stand in front of the register and videotape while people are trying to check out and get their groceries. So I just walked over here. But these are $7.49 at my store. They're men's razors. And then the Soleil are $7.67 today, which last sale when I took that picture they were $7.48. So the best way to do this deal is to buy 3 at the $7.49 or the $7.67, whichever price you want to do. As long as you're fine as long as you reach 16 or 50, more than $15 total. So I know in some areas of Georgia these are like $6 or $5. I don't even know. It's something ridiculous that makes me want to drive to Georgia. I'm only an hour away. You would need to buy 3 of there as well, though, because you're going to hit that $15 mark. All right. So you want to hit your $15 mark to get the rebate back. Then you're going to use 3 coupons. The $4 coupon, this one right here. Okay, so the $4 coupon has a limit of 2 identical coupons per household per day. So if you're buying 3, you can use 2 of these coupons and then 1 of the $3 coupon, whether it be the insert coupon from your Smart Source 221 or the printable coupon that was printing unlimited. You're going to pay at the register. You're going to pay at the register $5.44 and then get $5 back with the big rebate, which I will put the link to in the best deals below, making them 44 cents for all 3, or around 44 cents for all 3, or maybe even less than 44 cents for all 3, depending on your store. So for the $5 rebate, you must spend $5. So if your store, I'm going to take back what I said earlier, if your store, these are only $5 and some odd change, you're going to need to buy 4 or 5 of these because your total needs to be $5 after coupons to redeem the $5 rebate. If you don't want to redeem the $5 rebate, that's fine. You can just use the $2 off sale and the coupon, and it would probably be free. The $4 off coupon and the $2 sale would make them free if they're $5 in your area. $5.67, I think they were. Okay, guys, so that's that. There's so many scenarios of this. I couldn't possibly break it down for every single store, Publix store, but I'm trying to get close to kind of give you the gist of how to do this deal. You must spend $5 at the register to redeem that rebate. You don't have to do the rebate to do the deal. If you would rather just use the $2 off sale and the $4 coupon or $3 coupon, that works too. store for this clearance deal. These Colgate Max White 2 packs of toothbrushes are on sale or on clearance for $2.74. That's half price. And there's a $1 digital coupon that you can use for these as well, making them $1.74. Again, this is a clearance deal, so your mileage is going to vary. Also, check these Oral-B. They are half price at my store. Can't remember, I think it's Philips that just came out with a coupon, but I'm gonna look for Oral-B coupons. Okay, next up, this is not part of the weekly sale. This is sort of an unadvertised deal. It's not unadvertised, it is on the Publix website. It's going on until 3/20, so you have until 3/20 to do this deal. It's just not part of the weekly ad. We'll say that. It's not unadvertised though. All right, Dove body and face wash is on sale for $3.99 until the 20th. It's regularly $5.59. In your 3/7 save, the new insert, there is a $3 off coupon for the Elements variety, which would only be these guys right here. These don't say Elements on them, so you cannot use it on these. You must use it on these. Okay? They're included in the sale. They're 13.5 ounce, so they also qualify for the Publix coupon in your extra savings flyer here. And then also, there is one specifically for Dove Men that ends tomorrow. However, on Saturday, a new one begins off of Dove, so you could use it as well. So you can still do this deal until 3/20. So you would buy two, use one of the $2 off 2 coupon and 2 of the $3 off 1 coupon, and both will be free. Only on the Elements body wash. Okay, so also on sale this week in the weekly sale is Dove shampoo. So the shampoo is on sale, buy 2 get $3 off. You can buy any 2 of these shampoo. It's going to come to $9.98, and then after the sale it's going to come to $6.98. In your 3/7 RMN, there is a $2 off 1 coupon. You may use 2 of those. Then you also want to stack it with your extra savings flyer coupon. There is a new one that's coming out Saturday that matches it, and you can also use the one that is out now. So either one of those, they are both $2 off too, making these just 49 cents a piece after coupons. Buy 2, use one of the $1 or $2 off 2 coupon from your Publix extra savings flyer, either one, and then 2 of the $2 off 1 coupon found in your 3/7 save. Okay, next up we got these Glade Candles on sale. Buy 2 get 1 free. Best way to do this deal is buy 3 at $9.68. Use one of the BOGO Glade product coupon. It's up to $3.75. The only reason we are using one is because the coupon terms say that you may only use 1 identical coupon in the same shopping transaction. And unfortunately, I couldn't find another coupon. I was hoping a digital would come out so we could use that as well on the extra one that we have left, but we don't. But still, it's not a bad deal. After you buy 3, it comes to $6.98. Use the 1 BOGO coupon, and they come to $1.16 a piece. Pretty great deal. If you have not signed up for the Frito-Lay coupons, I'm going to put the link below. You get access to some really great coupons each month that you can send. They can send to you via mail or through your Publix digital coupons, and you can claim these every single month. So I will put the link to that below. I'm not sure if there's one for Lay's Kettle Cooked. I haven't looked this month. I've had a lot going on with my dad, but I will be looking, and if so, I will post. But I'm going to post the link below. Sign up anyway, because they have great coupons. and it's not often you can find a Lay's coupon, so definitely sign up. I'm looking to see if there's anything else. Doritos are 2 for $6, which is an amazing deal, but it's not bad. They often have coupons for these, which are also part of Stocking Spree, these 18 bags. Yeah, and they're $6.99 this week. There's sometimes a $1 off coupon, and it looks like they're definitely part of Stocking Spree, and it looks like they are doing a giveaway for a Nintendo Switch. Yeah, I'm a mean mom. My kids don't need that. That's it for the Lay's, though. Okay, link below to sign up. Super amazing deal as long as the Ibotta rebate stays. I mean, great deal if the Ibotta rebate doesn't, but so Perdue Shortcuts are on sale, BOGO at $4.99. There's a $1.50 off 3 coupon. $1.50 off 3. You're gonna buy 6, use 2 of those, and then additionally you can claim $1.25 back per one on Ibotta up to 5 times. It's valid right now. Ibotta rebates come and go as they please, so even though there may say that you have it good for 6 days, it could go away tomorrow. There could be no expiration date on it, and it could go away tomorrow. So if you do this deal, literally redeem the receipt in the parking lot if you're banking on getting the Ibotta rebate back, because I mean, that's what I do. I go out to my car and I literally redeem it while I'm putting the stuff in the trunk of my car, because they can go away that quick and it's super frustrating. So there would be 75 cents though after Ibotta rebate and coupons. Link to the coupon is below if you have not joined Ibotta. Even though the rebates come and go as they please, it is an amazing rebate program. I will put the link to join it below as well. Absolutely no deal at all on this, but I tried this last night. We had stew for dinner last night, and instead of going and picking up rolls, I didn't feel like walking to the other end of the store. I was like, dang, this looks good. I've been to Cheesecake Factory once. I don't remember the bread being riveting, but it was very good. Very good with stew. I'm a fan, so pick some up and try it if you're in Publix. This Arnold Country Style Butter Bread is on sale BOGO this week at $4.49. There is a $1.25 off 1 Ibotta rebate that you can claim. I'll put the link to Ibotta below if you have not joined. Sign up now. It is only valid on the butter bread. These Mission Flour Tortilla Soft Taco shells are on sale BOGO. It's the 10 count bag. On sale BOGO, there's a $1 off 1 coupon for the A1A coupons. That's a PDF coupon, so you can print it as many times as you like. I've heard these do freeze pretty well. Buy 2, use 2, and pay 35 cents back. Juicy Juice is on sale BOGO this week. There's a 75 cent off 1 printable coupon. Buy 2, use 2. If you buy the 8 packs, they are buy 2 at $3.20. Use 2 of the 75 cent off coupon, which the link is in the best deals below, and pay 83 cents a 8-pack. Sunny D 64-ounce bottles are on sale BOGO at $1.99 this week. No coupon, but it makes them just 99 cents a piece. Panera soups are on sale BOGO. These are our favorites at my house. Oh, there's the baked potato. All right, so they are on sale BOGO at $5.49. There's a $1 or $2 off 2 coupon. So you would buy 2, use 1 of the $2 off 2 coupon. This is in your Smart Source 3.7, making them $1.75 a piece, worth every penny. Our favorites are the broccoli and cheese and the baked potato. I posted this the other day in your upcoming extra savings flyer that starts Saturday. There's this new rebate offer on some Smithfield items. Okay, so what's included is what's pictured right here. Only these items qualify. If you buy $20 worth of these items, which a lot of them are on sale starting Saturday in the new extra savings flyer, you get a $5 gift card back. You go to WTOTrewards.com to upload your receipts. I just want to reminisce for a minute. Remember the day when we used to get toilet paper for under $2 for that toilet paper right there? It's my favorite toilet paper right there. It used to be $2. I lasted for a really long time during this pandemic, but I didn't have a year's worth of toilet paper. So I'm super excited about the $6.99 deal. And then I looked up and saw my old $2 toilet paper. All right, so this is on sale for $6.99. I mean, I'm kind of dancing about it. There is a $1 coupon that came to me in my email this week. If you have not signed up on the Quilted Northern website, sign up. They send you a coupon every single month. I'll put the link to sign up below. So I'm going to get this big guy for $5.99. I mean, not the best deal I've ever gotten, but not a terrible deal. These are also on sale, the double rolls, but my husband really appreciates these ultra plush. Alright, these Lenny and Larry's, the complete cookie, are on sale BOGO this week at $2. We got a $1 off 2 printable coupon in the link below, making them $1 for 2 or 50 cents a piece.